How to add breath sounds on Basidia Med. Select respiratory system in systemic examination. Scroll down to auscultation of breath sounds. All the areas of chest, with the normal findings, are already selected for faster input. Any abnormal findings can be recorded by tapping on the relevant site and selecting the field.
Basidia Med. The easiest and fastest way to take advanced clinical history.